Open-close principle. In real applications, payment requirements change very frequently. Today we have cash payment, tomorrow we need card payment. Next week, maybe UPI or wallet payment. If we keep modifying old code again and again, our application becomes unstable. That's why open-close principle exists. Let's start with a simple payment service. This service is responsible for handling payments. First, I'll create a class of payment service and method name pay. Initially, this method will support only one or two payment types. I will implement this payment using if-else conditions. This code works for now, but observe the problem. If tomorrow business says we need to add UPI payment, then we will modify this existing code. First, I will call the class of payment service in our main method. For that, I am creating an object. If I modify my existing code using else if, then there is a high chance of bugging in future. Every new payment method forces us to change working code. That's why we use open close principle. It adds new payment methods without changing existing payment service code. To follow OCP, we will first make interface. This interface represents a payment behavior. Now payment service will not depend on concrete payment types. Then I'll extend my payment to card payment and then cash payment. Each payment method has its own class. We are extending functionality, not modifying old logic. Now, the checkout service does not depend on cash payment. It depends on iPayment. This means checkout service is already following open closed principle. Here, I'm injecting the payment dependency using constructor injection. It checkout service does not care which payment method it receives. It could be cash, card, or any other payment method. This makes the class closed for modification. By using checkout service, it is not checking payment type. There will be no if else conditions. By using new card payment, it will call the method of the card payment class. Now, if I add new payment method such as UPI payment, then there will be no modification. There is just extension in the code. This helps us to make our code flexible and bug free. Now, if I want my payment to be done with UPI, then I just need to change the class from card payment to UPI payment. So, open close principle means extending functionality without adding or modifying existing code, simply using interfaces. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.